people facing employment barriers, and these barriers may include the lack of education, professional experience, or personal connections in the job market. In focusing on these young people, Jumpstart Indonesia hope to reduce youth unemployment in the country. To achieve its goals, JSI or Jumpstart Indonesia used various strategies. First, it offers, can you put this slide? Is the slide moving? Okay. One more. Hard skills. Training included technical skills for specific jobs and social skills such as communication and teamwork, which are important in any workplace. Another strategy was to create partnerships between employment candidates and employers. The program works closely in collaboration